How to hide your number in Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide your number in Android phone. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your phone app on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and choose the settings. Once you access to the settings page, you need to scroll down and on the general section, tap calling accounts. Select career-related settings option. Here are the 4 different options. Simply choose additional settings. Wait until every option gets loaded. By default, my number option at the top has been disabled. So if you want to hide your number in Android phone, simply on the section you will see caller ID option. Simply tap on that and here you have to select hidden option. This will help us to hide the numbers in outgoing calls. By default, my number has been hidden on my Android phone when there is any kind of outgoing calls. So depending upon your mobile device's version and the brands, the option differs. So that is how we hide our number in Android phone. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.